Hey, it's Keith from Outlaw Speed Shop. Welcome to the Custom Diecast Renegades and Hoodlums Custom Truck Challenge presented by Gunslinger Garage. There are a lot of prize packages this time around. Gunslinger Garage, free car, El Camino, first place, second and third, Amazon gift cards. William Mr. K7 Robinson giving away a K10. Howard from Big Paw Garage is giving away some trophies and a bag of 3D printed parts to the top three. Kristen Stanaland is giving away some mint inbox Hot Wheels, first place, second place, and he's also giving away a Hot Wheels car to the third place winner. Kenny Terry from Waterslide Decals is giving away a $20 gift voucher for decals for first, second, and third place. We have a custom diorama by Chris Smith. This thing is unbelievable. Also have a first place prize for custom monster truck from Joe Patton. We have a Real Riders Bone Shaker donated by somebody I cannot remember because my computer crashed. Donated by Dustin Winsell. We have first and second place Bone Shakers Baja version. And the winner gets every single entry. So let's meet the contestants. Number 1, Scrambled Egg. This started off with a black wall casting Jeep, and it was painted with duplicolor metal cast blue over a white base. Nutmeg brown interior, second chance red line decals, and wheels and tires are Real Riders off a Jeep Wagoneer. Number 2, Rusty Repu Shop Truck. Repu meaning rotary engine pickup. This is a customized Hot Wheels Mazda with a wood plank bed, bronze 6-spoke Real Riders, and British Racing Green that's seen many, many better days. Number 3, Willie's Rat. Dually wheel swaps, shaved bed, fenders, added dual hood stacks, added front bumper, added spacers. This thing is crazy. Number 4, the Shocker. Hot Wheels 69 Chevy C10 with a wheel swap, custom paint inside and outside and underneath, and a custom decal on the bed cover. Number 5, we have the simple Chevy 69. It's a color changer with green to blue. Chevy truck with a wood color bed, browned out tires, and some detailing on the bottom. Number 6, the Redemption Wrecker. Started life as a 52 Chevy. Every aspect of this thing has been cut, stretched, notched, channeled, you name it. The bed is replaced with real cedar wood. The tow arm is real fencing wire. Number 7, the Snake Plissken Speed Shop. 62 custom Chevy. Green and white Createx paint with red pinstripes. Real Riders from Tread's Hobby. Custom grill, styrene bed cover, and the engines from a tuned 68 Mustang by Hot Wheels. Number 8, Sunday Driver. It's a matchbox casting with lift and wheel swaps. Been repainted, detailed with a wood box floor and a sunroof delete. Number 9, the Old Timer. This was originally a Hot Wheels Ford flare side in bright red with flames. It's been lifted and put on a Jada Trucks chassis, weathered paint job, cut out side windows, and custom rear bumper. Number 10, Pac-Man. This is a Chevy 3500 that's been turned into a lowrider with a hydraulic lift bed that's stationary. It's got different wheels. It's got 3-wheel motion if you push on the mid to the back passenger side. Custom paint. Number 11, Redemption. It's a 62 Chevy truck, custom with the bed cut off, rear hand built, matching trailer, carrying a Chevy Love as a cargo, finished in an orange and gunmetal paint job and decals for that race day feel. Number 12, the Brush Burner. This started life as a Nova gasser and turned it into a service truck. Number 13, Zombie Colorado. It's a 2016 Chevrolet Colorado Extreme 4x4 matchbox casting. Added a plow to the front chassis, fuel barrel in front and back, spikes, tires, machine guns, and zombie blood. Number 14, the Glitter Shitter. The hood was removed, new big block engine installed with spark plugs, paint was stripped off the body, resprayed with bright silver base and clear Tamiya acrylic, micro glitter, coated the whole truck with the Tamiya clear yellow, then upper half painted using Tamiya clear blue. Number 15, the Thrill Master. 1952 Chevy pickup truck painted in cobalt blue with detailed undercarriage, bed, rims, grill, you name it, it's been detailed, and the windows are slightly tinted. Number 16, the 956 Cruiser. This is a satin black with gloss black trim 56 pickup, clear coated, green light wheels. Number 17, Blue Magic. This is painted with a Duplicolor customized wrap effects stellar blue. Paint changes in the light. Motorcycles are hand painted. Base is flat black with the headlights, taillights, and grille painted. Bottom is detailed. Wheels are blue accented from an R2-D2 character car. Number 18, Desert Rose 71 El Camino. Custom paint with racing stripes, clear plexiglass tonneau cover that's removable, lowered front slightly, raised rear drastically, added side pipes using M2 tires and wheels, and it's painted with Tester's root beer and Rust-Oleum metallic rose gold. Number 19, Murica. Competition orange metal flake jacked up oversized tires Southern Renegade truck. Square body Chevy. This is the epitome of a Southern redneck pickup truck that you'd take out in the mud. Jacked up, ready to rock. Number 20, the Fightin' Titan. A once proud show truck that's been neglected and left abandoned. Hole cut in the hood for a supercharger, custom paint. Interior has been painted warm caramel, rust effects on all of the paint, weathered chassis, wheel and tire swap, and new exhaust tips made out of aluminum. Number 21, Tickle Me Pink. 1967 Hot Wheels Chevy C10, stripped to bare metal and painted and hand detailed with M2 wheels for smooth, free rolling action. Number 22, the El Nomino. 55 Nomad with the top cut off, filled in sunroof, scoop removed, detailed interior, speakers and amplifier, finished truck bed, widened wheel tubs, handmade NOS bottle, removable flush mount aluminum bed cover, axle tubes made with recycled Bic lighter parts, custom rear window, color is intense blue pearl by Duplicolor. Number 23, 83 Silverado, Pro Street, 3D printed engine and wheelie bars, highly detailed interior, red with white stripes, wheels are off a 55 Chevy Gasser. Number 24, Frankenstein. Front end is off a 1940s Ford panel truck. Cab is from a Bone Shaker, and the bed is from a 56 Ford. Paint is Mystic Emerald Green with a flat clear coat, flat black base, and painted interior. Sits on flat black and chrome red rail riders. Number 25, the Long Hauler. 3 Hot Wheels Xbox 2019 Raptors were used, along with wood and decals to construct and detail the camper. JB Weld, Milliput, superglue, aluminum, brass, rods and screws are also used. Paint is Tester's metallic blue, Rust-Oleum gloss clear coat. Number 26, A100 Dodge Punk. Dodge pickup truck with the steampunk theme. Lots of brass, copper, orange, silver, real riders. This thing is decked out to the max. All right, let's see the brackets. As I stated initially, not everything always works out to be even amounts. So there was going to be some people that had some free passes, but I was going to do it as fair as I could, and the only way I could do it is randomly. So I have this website that I'm using that creates brackets for me. I'm going to take each individual vehicle, I'm going to put it in there, and then I'm going to shuffle it all up. And that's how it's going to generate my brackets and determine who gets a free pass in round 1. so on and so forth. So after they're added, I'm going to come over, I'm going to hit the bracket, or actually I'm going to shuffle. Okay, and I hit bracket, and pretty much that generates everything for me. And the one good thing about this one, because I have prizes for first, second, and third, there'll be a special runoff for third place as well at the very end. So these are the brackets. My next video will begin voting on round 1. I'm going to be very specific on how to vote. Last time we had some discrepancies that I wanted to try to nip in the butt, and I'm going to make sure that everybody votes. You know, there's going to be no voting for only one vehicle type of thing. Those votes will be discounted. So please encourage people to vote when the time comes. The next video will be out tomorrow. Thanks for watching. We got a lot of cool trucks. I can't wait to get this thing started. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.